This is Chef Josh with Electrolux Professional, and today we're going to look at how to create a program and save that program on your SkyLine PremiumS oven. So we're going to start off making a chicken program. And if you look when your oven first turns on, you'll be in the manual mode here. You can see that at the top left. And for chicken, we're going to go ahead and use the Combi mode, which is the middle area here with the blue and red line. We're going to click that, and then we're going to select 30% moisture. Now to move through these menus, you can just hit the arrow to go to the next setting, which will be our temperature. And we're going to select 350 for that, and then move on to our time. So instead of using time, we're going to use our core temperature probe, which is this middle button right here. If you wait too long, it will disappear, but to go back into it, just hit your time there, hit the middle button, and we're going to go ahead and select 155 for our temperature probe. Then the only other setting we need to change is our fan speed. We'll click on that. And you can go from 7 to 1 on your fan speed, but we're going to go ahead and select 6 on this. Once your fan speed is selected, if you wanted to hit play, you could hit play, the oven would preheat, and you could put your chicken in and it would cook it to 155. But if you wanted to save this for future use, you could hit the bottom arrow here, select Save Program, and then you could save this as chicken. Press the green arrow, and if there's a chicken program already in there, it will come up and ask you to overwrite the program. Or if you want to save it to something else, you could hit the X button, and then we could write maybe whole chicken, since this program is for whole chicken. And now you can see up here it's saved as whole chicken. If you hit the back button, you can see there was a chicken program already in there, and now we just saved our program as whole chicken. Now if you wanted to add a picture to this or change the name, you can hit these three little dots. You can do ABC to change the name, or hit the picture to add a picture. These pictures are just in there from the oven already. If you wanted to add your own picture, you could do that. You would just have to upload it and then use a resizing tool. There is a link through the QR code in the top left of the oven to resize that picture and then be able to upload it through your USB. You can visit us at www.electroluxprofessional.com for any more information, or contact your local dealer or rep.